What's the meaning of beefcake? Beefcake. Beefcake.
Beefcake. Beefcake. The term beefcake is a slang term used to describe a muscular or well-built man. It typically refers to men who have impressive physique, often with prominent muscles and minimal body fat. The term originated in the mid-20th century and was originally used in reference to male performers who were featured in pin-up magazines and other types of media. In modern times, the term is often used in a more general sense to describe any man who was considered physically attractive due to his muscular build. The concept of beefcake has been a recurring theme in popular culture, with many movies, TV shows, and other forms of media featuring characters who are considered beefcakes.